You can order the lower cover valance used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull the hood release handle and open the hood. In order to change the lower cover valance on your vehicle, you need to remove the front bumper. To do so, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Front Bumper, Dodge Ram 1500. We will show you the different steps and parts to remove so that you can take off your front bumper. You now need to separate the valance from the front bumper.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
To remove the lower cover valance from the bumper, remove the 13 plastic rivets by prying the central part using a fork. Next, using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the retaining bolt at each end of the bumper. You can now separate the front bumper from the lower cover valance. When you change your lower cover valance due to a collision, you may need to replace the bumper brackets as well. To do so, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Front Bumper Brackets, Dodge Ram 1500. You can order the lower cover valance used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new lower cover valance. Reinstall the lower cover valance on the front bumper. Put the 13 rivets back in place. Then, screw the 2 bolts back on. You are now done replacing your lower cover valance.
If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need.
Now you can reinstall the front bumper. To do so, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Front Bumper, Dodge Ram 1500. Operation complete.